How to change primary country location on Facebook page. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video tackles something quick and easy, changing your primary country location on your Facebook page. Let's jump right in. First things first, head over to Facebook and log into your account. Then make sure you've switched your page by clicking on the drop down arrow in the top right corner and selecting your page name. Now, with your page active, look for the settings tab. It's usually located on the left hand side navigation bar. Then, within the settings menu, you'll see various options, so click on General to access your page's general settings. Scroll down the general settings until you find the location section, and there you should see your current primary location listed. Click on the Edit button and a pop-up window will appear with a search bar for countries. Simply type in the new country you want to set as your primary location and select it from the search results. Once you've chosen your new country, click on the Save Changes button, and you've successfully changed your primary country location on your Facebook page. Now your Facebook page will be visible to people in your new target location. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.